that's okay.
Xiaomi Civi phone. The first time I heard this name, I thought to myself, what the hell is this phone? Because Civi in Chinese sounds like 刺猬. That means hedgehog. Does that mean even a hedgehog needs a good selfie phone? That's fun! You know what's fun too? It's the super sale promotion from my sponsor Geekbank.com. They have crazy deals, cool products, and if you are the first 1,000 users to pay via PayPal, you can enjoy an extra 5% off. Wow! Be quick, my friends! Link is in the description. Anyway, in this video, I will just include unboxing, design, and specs walkthrough, photo testing, and my first impression. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. My goal is to get 100k subscribers this year, but now only 50k. I need your help. As you can probably tell from this thin Xiaomi Civi packaging box, it's going to be very eco-friendly. That's true, because in the box you only got a pen, a user manual, a soft transparent phone case, and a 3.5mm headphone adapter. That's it. It didn't even come with a charging cable, let alone the charger. Now moving to the design. On top we see a mic, an infrared blaster, and a speaker. We also see the sound is tuned by Dolby Atmos. Moving to the side, it's classic Xiaomi design. We see the power key and the volume rocker on the right side, nothing on the left. For the bottom, we see the SIM card tray. It's dual card supported, but not SD card expansion. Type-C port, mic, and the speaker. If you want to know how it sounds, here it is. Moving on to the camera, the main module is based around a 64MP sensor. No optical stabilization though. The next camera has a 120° ultra-wide angle lens and an 8MP sensor. Last on the back is a 2MP micro camera. For selfies, the Xiaomi Civi comes equipped with a 32MP shooter with an autofocus lens. Since we are talking about the front panel, let's talk more. It's quite a display, a 6.55-inch curved OLED panel with the thinnest screen on a Xiaomi phone. The distance between the bottom row of pixels and the middle frame is just 2.55mm. This 1080p Plus OLED display supports both HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision, and it comes with excellent calibration. Data A is around 0.36. The display can hit a peak brightness of 950 nits. The display supports 120Hz refresh rate too, and comes with a 200Hz touch sampling rate. Yes, I guess that's the most beautiful Xiaomi phone ever. It's lightweight and not too big, perfect for one-hand holding and operating. The curved display and the soft touch matte finish on the back glass just give this phone a premium and elegant look. As for other specs, it's powered by the Snapdragon 778G, one of the more exciting chipsets to launch recently. Fabbed on TSMC's 6nm process, it's an alternative to the 780G. We ran the Android test on the phone, and this was what we got. I guess it's middle-range phone level, isn't it? It has 9 levels of graphene to keep this chip running cool. It does have a good thermal control, I like that, and I wouldn't be surprised if it has good gaming performance, for the Adreno supports variable rate shading, which can boost performance with minimal image quality loss as well. The phone runs on a 4500 mAh battery, which Xiaomi says will be enough for just over 24 hours of use. Afterwards, it can be fully charged in 45 minutes thanks to the 55 watts wired charging support. For sure, the most compelling highlight would be the selfie camera performance. Xiaomi has done lots of optimization on the front camera to let you have beautiful selfies. Well, I'm not a selfie guy, but still tried a few as I switch between natural and classic and took a few. Holy smoke, I really look like a star from these selfies. I really wish I could look this better. Anyway, I'm going to use one of these as my Tinder profile picture. All jokes aside, in my opinion, I think it's too artificial that makes the selfies look unreal, and honestly, I'm not a big fan. But that's not the case with many of my female friends like Eva or Simi. They found that the selfies are nice, and if you are interested in seeing more, I'll put at the end of this video. Please make sure to check it out. So my first impression for the Xiaomi Civi phone is that it's a beautiful phone with solid specs and performance. It's rare to see the phone with this lightweight and thin design nowadays. The camera performance, I guess, is super good for those who love taking selfies, though it may not for all. So what do you think of this phone? Would you buy it for your girls or yourself? Let me know in the comment section. I'm Sammy, and we'll see you in the next one.
agora, gente, vocês viram a diferença, né? Olha a minha pele, como tá parecendo pele de boneca e tudo mais, porque eu coloquei aqui o embelezador.